Front tire blowout. This is what happens.
Tire blew up.
Yeah,
I tried to get it, but I couldn't. That's it. God.
I seen it. What's going on? That's why I started slowing down. If I would have kept going speed, we would have hit.
I got an email.
Really? I got an email? A email? It's Ann, fool.
From a truck driver that said that fuel prices are so expensive that he's even considering putting on recaps on his steers. And for all the new truck drivers out there, and for the old ones too, never, ever, ever, ever put recaps on your steers. And this is my personal opinion right here. Never put Chinese tires on your steers as well, okay? Because your steers, there's only one tire on each side, and because of that, you want to put the best brand tire on there, because if you're going down a mountain, up a mountain, you're going super fast, cutting corners, that tire just pop, man, you're going to be in a world of hurt. So for that subscriber that asked that, I know times are hard right now, but you do not want to cheap out on your safety.
Front tire blowout. This is what happens. Front tire blowout, lose control. He came from that side. Right in front of my truck. If I was going any faster, me and him would have clashed. Yeah, that's good. I seen it on the dirt. I'm like, what the hell? I started slowing down. Yeah, that's my truck.
I was worried about you, bro.
Yeah, I was going and
Wanted to know about you.
I seen you on the dirt. I'm like, what's going on? So I started slowing down.
Tire blew up.
Yeah,
I tried to get it, but I couldn't. That's it. God.
I seen it. What's going on? That's why I started slowing down. If I would have kept going speed, we would have hit.